Hello students of class 8. Today we are going to discuss some problems on density and relative density. So see problem number 1. Problem number 1 is given a stone of mass 22 gram is immersed completely in a measuring cylinder containing water. Due to the mass of the stone, the water level increased by 17 milliliter. What is the density of the stone? Now mass of the stone is given directly 22 gram. Volume of the stone is obviously 17 ml or milliliter because the stone is displays the same volume of water of its own. Okay, that is why the volume is increased by 17 ml. So volume of the stone is 17 milliliter. 17 milliliter is equals to 17 centimeter cube. Now the density of the stone is given by mass divided by volume. That means 22 gram divided by 17 centimeter cube. So it will come 1.29 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now this is your problem number 2. Find the relative density of a piece of wood that has mass 25 gram and volume of 29.4 semi-cube. So first we have to find density of wood. Density of wood is given by mass of wood divided by volume of wood. Mass of wood is given by 25 gram and volume of wood is given by 29.4 centimeter cube. So the density of wood is 0.850 gram per semi cube. Now we have to find relative density of the wood. Okay. So relative density of the wood is given by density of the wood divided by density of the water at 4 degrees centigrade. So density of the wood is, we have already calculated, 0.850 gram per centimeter cube divided by density of the water at 4 degrees centigrade is given by 1 gram per semi cube. So the relative density will come 0.850. Now this is our third problem. See, the mass of an empty specific gravity bottle is 35 gram in a physical balance. When it is completely filled with water, then mass changes to 75 gram. Now the bottle is washed and dried and again filled with methanol, and weight of the bottle with methanol is found to be 67 gram. Now calculate the relative density of methanol. Now first step, we have to find the volume of that bottle. Okay, because the volume of a specific gravity bottle is equals to the volume of the liquids poured or filled into it. So first, the given set of data is the empty specific gravity bottle has mass 35 gram, and when it is filled by water, the mass becomes 75 gram. So the mass of the water inside the specific gravity bottle is given by 75 minus 35 gram, which is 40 gram. Now volume of the bottle, which is also equals to volume of the water, is nothing but mass divided by density of the water. Now mass of the water is 40 gram and density of the water in CGS system, we all know 1 gram per centimeter cube. So it is given by the volume of the bottle is 40 centimeter cube. Now move to the density of methanol. Density of methanol is given by mass of the methanol and then volume of the methanol. Now how to calculate the mass of the methanol? Read the question. The empty bottle is of weight of 35 gram, and when the bottle is filled by methanol, the weight is 67 gram. So obviously the mass of methanol is 67 minus 35 gram, which is equals to 32 gram. Okay, now volume of that methanol is equals to volume of that specific gravity bottle, which is equals to 40 semi cube. So 32 by 40 semi cube gram per semi cube is given by 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now what is the relative density of methanol? The relative density of any material is given by density of that material divided by density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. So here density of methanol divided by density of water at 4 degrees centigrade, density of methanol is, we have already just found, 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, and density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is 1 gram per semi cube. So it will come 0.8. The relative density is has no unit, so it is a pure number. So relative density of methanol is 0.8. I think it is clear. This type of problem is 2 or 3 steps, but if you understand the concept, it is very easy. Okay, you found some numericals in your exercise, you can practice those numericals. Okay.